Hello Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, transform. Sabi dito, rise above any situation and become the best version of you. Ayan, Taurus. Maaaring meron kayong pagbabagong haharapin dito because you are going to succeed na sa pagharap sa hamon ng buhay. You're going to rise above your situation sa ngayon at with that, sa pagtatagumpay ninyo na yan, sa kung ano man ang challenging situation na yan sa buhay ninyo, that will help you evolve and grow as a person. What else? We have listen, be alert, the soft chiming bells call to nearby fairies. Ayan, so maging alerto daw kayo at makinig kayo, no? Sa mga subtleties na dumadating sa inyo. Because maaaring meron ditong mga importanteng mga intuitive messages na dumadating sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, no? Taurus. Kaya makinig kayo because maybe you are also praying for it. Maaring nagdadasal din kayo para sa gabay or nagdadasal kayo para sa confirmation ng kung anumang bagay sa buhay ninyo. At yun na nga, no? Pinapadalhan kayo kaya kailangan din ninyo na gawin ang parte ninyo at pakinggan, no? What else? We have discover. Ayan. So, look at the early dewdrops before they disappear with the morning sun. Ayan. So, Taurus, diskubrehin ninyo, no? Diskubrehin ninyo yung mga opportunities na yan na nandiyan sa inyong harapan. There could be a lot of opportunities na kumakatok sa buhay ninyo at maaaring hindi pa ninyo napapansin. Maybe you're just ignoring it or maybe hindi nyo lang talaga yan napapansin pa. So, posibleng ganun. So, this is a heads up for you, no, na meron kayong mga opportunities sa paligid niyo or maybe nandiyan na, kumakatok na sa inyo at kailangan ninyong pansinin before it totally slips away from you. Okay? We have wisdom. To focus on the past is to lose the future. Heed advice from an older person which will allow you to move on. Ayan, so maybe kailangan dito ninyo ng advice from a wise person or from a person of wisdom. Siguro din naghahanap din kayo ng taong ganito na makakapag-advise din sa inyo, makakatulong din sa inyo, no? Na makapag-desisyon ng tama, yung gano'n, no? What else? We have achievement. Enjoy the limelight. You've earned it, although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. Ayan. So, parang may achievements kayo, no? May sikat kayo. Marami kayong, parang nasa spotlight kayo ngayon. Pero, at the back of your head, hindi kayo masyadong masaya. Kasi meron siguro kayong kamag-anak or family member na medyo nagwo-worry kayo, no, about sa kondisyon ng pangangatawan ng kung sino man yan sa pamilya. Kaya parang yung achievement na to, parang half-half yung nararamdaman ninyong saya at lungkot, no? What else? We have friendship. A friend needs your help. Your kindness and excellent counseling skills will put them back on track. Taurus, siguro meron kayong isang kaibigan dito na nangangailangan ng inyong tulong. Kung kanina maaaring kayo nangangailangan ng sage advice ng ibang tao, meron din lumalapit din sa inyo at nangangailangan din ng inyong tulong, nangangailangan din ng inyong sage advice, no? So, maybe kung sino man ang kaibigan nyo na to, maaaring kayo yung go-to person ng taong ito. Maaaring kayo yung lagi nilalapitan nito to ask for advice, to ask for help, to ask for opinion, yung ganon. Kaya, maaaring nawawala sa right direction ang taong ito at maybe kayo makakatulong dito, no? Kayo yung lalapitan nito at kailangan lang nitong marinig ang inyong gabay, no? Taurus. So, what else? We have angel number 2020. compassion. Ayan na nga. So, talagang yung compassion ninyo will be on display around this time with this friend, no? Sabi dito, it is a confirmation that your assumptions and beliefs are correct, but it's also an encouragement to use your talents and gifts because they will benefit the world and your pockets. Yan, sayang na naman, di ba? You're given talents, skills, and gifts, and now, maybe kailangan na ninyong i-embrace yan entirely because yan ang makakatulong sa inyong magtagumpay kayo at makatulong sa ibang tao, no? Be of service to others. Ayan na nga, kayo na nga ituturos. Magiging of service kayo sa ibang tao, lalo-lalo na dito sa inyong kaibigan na nangangailangan ng inyong advice, nangangailangan ng inyong tulong, kailangan ng inyong kabaitan, no? At maaring ito din yung inyong mission sa buhay. Maaring ito rin yung inyong purpose in life sa ngayon, to serve other people, no? To use your talents, skills, and gifts para maka-touch kayo ng maraming buhay, no? Your potential is enormous, Taurus, kaya you are so blessed, no? With angel number 101, starting over, meron pagsisimula ng bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo. Happiness is linked to self-expression, growth, and experience. Learning from failures is key. Happiness is real, possible, and around. Understand its process and the pursuit of it. Joy is fluid. Sabi dito, it's in the little things and the big ones. Fails are fun to start fresh. Okay? What else? Kapag, di ba, kapag nadapa tayo, kailangan talagang bumangon. Ganun ang Pinoy, di ba? Yan ang dugong Pinoy, lumalaban sa buhay. We are resilient. No? We are resilient. Walang hirap sa buhay na hindi natin kinakaya. Walang problema na hindi natin kayang solusyonan. Talagang bumabangon tayo. Di ba? Bumabangon tayo at nagtatry tayo magsimula ulit ng bagong buhay. So, we have 1221. Ayan, change. Malaking pagbabago talaga magaganap sa buhay ninyo dito. Sabi dito, work with what you have and it will get you places. Ayan, instead na mag-focus tayo sa kung anong wala tayo, let's work on what we have. Kasi ito yung blessing na nandito sa atin sa ngayon. Ito yung para sa atin, so let's work on it, diba? Count your blessings and acknowledge your dear ones. You will find inspiration and figure out a way forward. So, you might also be getting some good news soon. So, good luck to that. That's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.